Jordan, a diverse Middle Eastern country filled with hidden treasures unique to the region. One of its most wondrous riches is a body of water located at the lowest point on Earth, the Dead Sea. For thousands of years, the Dead Sea has been known for its great therapeutic property. The naturally rich concentration of minerals in its waters helps relieve pain due to arthritis and rheumatism, as well as muscular and back pain, and is excellent for total relaxation. The mineral-rich water and black Dead Sea mud fight off many skin problems and make the skin look and feel healthier, silkier, and younger, which in short makes the Dead Sea the finest recipe for health and beauty. From this unique source of nature, Sea Products was born to bring the world the ultimate in health and beauty products. Its unique range of natural products, based on the finest ingredients of the Dead Sea, carries the wonders of the world's oldest health and beauty store to a client base that today stretches across the world. Sea Products is a quality guaranteed range of products developed through the strict selection of raw materials and standardized production processes, combined with a highly qualified and experienced team of experts. Years of dedicated research to capture the Dead Sea's natural elements resulted in the creation of two great lines of products, Sea Products Retail line and the Sea Clinic Professional Care line. The Sea Products Retail line boasts a wide variety of aromatherapy bath salts, massage oils, soap and shower products, as well as face, body, hair, and foot care products that work to bring the lavish luxury of the Dead Sea into the comfort of your home. The Sea Clinic Professional line, on the other hand, aids health and beauty professionals around the world in treating their clients to some of the best natural spa treatments available. Every product within this line has been uniquely formulated to give a special touch of the Dead Sea for a real and lasting difference. Today, the Sea Product Retail and the Sea Clinic Professional Care lines have managed to carve out an exclusive niche in the global market, with exports reaching many international markets in Asia, Europe, North America, and the Middle East, to be enjoyed by men and women of all ages. Our products can be found on display at some of the world's most prestigious health and beauty outlets. They have been recommended by prominent international publications and have been used and admired by thousands of satisfied customers. By combining the natural therapeutic qualities of the Dead Sea with modern scientific and manufacturing processes, Sea Products has come to life with minerals from the Dead Sea to become one of the world's finest health and beauty brands. Now you too can join millions of customers around the world and make Sea Products your natural choice.